Hello, good evening, guys. This is Babs Enterprise. Today I'm here to unbox the Xiaomi motion activated night light 2. It's a night light. Just a normal light for your closet, wardrobes. This night light works with sensor. It detects motion sensor. Let's see. When it detects vibration or a movement or steps, it automatically turns on. So when you place, for example, when you place this sensor, light sensor in your wardrobe, once you open your wardrobe, it turns on automatically. A very powerful gadget from Xiaomi. So without wasting much time, let's unbox and then see what we can find in the package. Guys. That's the user manual. It comes in various languages, how to set this motion sensor up, and a little information about the product. It is a warranty form or the warranty notice. Good. This is the product itself. That's the Xiaomi with the Xiaomi logo boldly on it. That's the light, as you can see. This is rotatable to any angle. You can tilt it to any angle of your choice, as we all can see. That's it. So you open it. That's it. You put your AA batteries in here. That's the power on and off button. So good. So let's try to put in some AA. Good. So that's it. Place this inside. Okay. See if we can take this off here. So put this in here. Oh, sorry guys. It takes the tiger head. Let me see. Yes, tiger head. Sorry guys. To no avail. I couldn't get the tiger head battery for this. So that's gonna be another time. Thank you very much for watching my video. Do have a good day.